Hello, and welcome to my newest series, Shift Drink, where we do a quick guide on how to make a cocktail to set you right after a long shift at the restaurant. Or like your office job or whatever. It works no matter what job you do. But I will say it does hit kinda different when you drink it out of a plastic pint container, like a real chef. What better way to kick off this series than tackling the old-fashioned? A tried and true drink that in my humble opinion is the perfect whiskey drink. Just the right amount of sweet and the perfect amount of alcohol to relax into. Alright, let's talk must-haves. Whiskey, of course. I'm going to be using Bullet Rye today. You're also going to need some Angostura bitters, a nice glass you can fit a big-ass ice cube in, and orange for garnish. Next up, some simple syrup. A solid simple syrup is really easy to make and keep in your fridge to have on hand for coffee, cocktails, or whatever you freaks put sugar on nowadays. You're going to do 2 parts sugar to 1 part water. Here I'm just doing 2 cups sugar to 1 cup water. Bring to a simmer in a saucepan while whisking to fully incorporate the two. Let this completely cool down before refrigerating, and it should last about a week or so in the fridge. Now onto the fun part. I seem to have lost my jigger, so I'm using a scale because it's essentially the same thing. We're starting off with a ½ ounce of simple syrup and a couple of dashes of Angostura bitters. I really like these Amarena cherries, so I'm throwing a couple of those in as well. 2 ounces of your whiskey of choice. And now it's time for that aforementioned big ass ice cube. Lean your cup to the side so you don't splash it everywhere. I have one of these really long spoons that bartenders use. You're gonna give it a little twirl. Lastly, have your dog help you garnish your drink with an orange. As you can see, some of that orangey goodness is spraying everywhere because my peeler is not that sharp. So get yourself a sharp peeler, rub it around the rim of the glass, throw it in, and that's your old-fashioned, everyone. And it looks like I'm gonna have to make one for myself. Alright, I'm gonna go enjoy this on my back porch. Thank you for joining me for this Shift Drink. Please like and subscribe. I put out cooking videos every Monday and Friday. Have a magnificent day, and may your quest for food knowledge be bountiful.